What's going on, y'all? Thanks for clicking on this video. I want to give you guys an overview of what we're getting ready to attempt to do. One of you guys left a comment on my video asking me either, I don't know if you asked me to stitch on the side of a hat or if I've ever done it or to give you tips. My answer to you, I forgot exactly what I said, but it was something like, hey, nobody's ever asked me to stitch on the side of a cap, so that's why we're making this video today. It is going to be not really a remix of this one, but I wanted to show you guys the hat that started out like this, right? If you guys can see, it says NDM and on the middle XCI with the bars. This is the hat that turned out okay. This is the 3D puff hat, right? But originally I tried to do that same thing on this hat and it ended up messing up. So that's why I only have the XCI. And then if we zoom in real close, you might be able to see right here where I had to remove all the stitches from where that white bar was at, because it did give me an issue on my first round. So I've been wearing this hat like this is how I purposely meant to design it, but this is the full finished version right here. So I figured, with that being said, why not go ahead and do my second test on this same hat. Same type of hat, same texture, so therefore I use the same settings on the machine. Since we're going to be stitching on the side of the hat, the right side in this case, I did still hoop the cap with the thing in the center, and then I've already rotated it and everything like that on the machine to stitch on the side. So therefore, since I'm only stitching on the side, I only put a little piece of stabilizer on the side of it. What we're getting ready to do is another form of this design right here. So this is a straight razor case that I made. I stitched the leather, designed it, cut it out, stitched into it and everything. If you guys haven't seen this video and you want to watch it, go ahead and click the card that pops up. So what I wanted to do from this design is, if you look at it kind of close, matter of fact, I don't even need to look in it close, but it kind of looks like my eyes are just like wide open, right? So I thought, hey, let me see how it would look if I actually remove my eyes. So I made some stickers to put on my machine. I think you guys might have seen that video, or if you haven't, I'll link it in the cards. But I redesigned it to kind of look like this. Same design, just without the eyes, a lot more solid lines, and this going down the side from left or from top to bottom versus left to right. We took this design right here, then we made it a tiny bit smaller. Can't even see, but I'll show you guys in a minute. And then we made it just a tiny bit smaller. There it is. Now you can't see me, but you can see what I'm trying to show you. So this just so happens to be the exact size that I need. At least I think, right? We're going to see when it stitches out. But this is going to be the exact size that is going to stitch. And I think it'll fit right here. And just to verify, as soon as we're done stitching it, I'll put this sticker up to it and we'll see if we got it right. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be very accurate. So with that being said, again, we already have everything hooped. I've already rotated the machine here. Let me go ahead and clip this on. I'll show you guys what we have right here. If you guys seen my Instagram thing, I told you we went wireless now. So I have this whole thing running wirelessly on the tablet, but it is just kind of sitting over here. Matter of fact, I'll show you guys the exact stuff I have if you have the same machine. So we have the wide angle cap frame, the whatever it is, the tension knobs are set on 10. The stitch speed is 850, and it says it's going to take us about 8 minutes, which is really not going to take that long because I just put like a black background on the design just to see how it would look on a black hat, but we're not actually stitching that. We're only going to be stitching the white and then maybe like a black outline to kind of make it look similar to, I guess, a stamp, I guess. So let me just verify one more time that we have our placement correct. And I think that may have to work. I don't know if you guys seen that, but let me see. I guess I'll try to show you guys what I just did. We're gonna go ahead and press the hoop and the trace button here, and let's see if it lands where we need it to land. Looks like it might go kind of high. Not too sure on that. Let's do it one more time. Now let me go into it, and we're gonna skip some colors here. We don't need the white because that was supposed to be a placement. The black was supposed to be, or the more white is supposed to be a tack down. Then we got the black for the background. We're skipping that as well. And then we just want the white for the main design there. And then I think the last color, let me actually go to a different menu for this. The last color is actually going to be black. Skipped most of those colors. We're going straight to the white to do the main design. Then we're going to pause it, and then if I want to, I guess I'll put the black outline, which is just a little small zigzag stitch around the edge. So we'll go ahead and save those settings, and here we go. Alright, let's watch the stitch out. Let's see what it's looking like. See, we just started the design, right? It already says it's only going to take 30 more seconds. Looks like it's bold enough. The lines are straight. Everything is even. Could have went even faster. Y'all gotta remember, you're only stitching it at half speed right now, and even then it only took 30 seconds. But you don't gotta speed through everything, but that's how it is. Let's take it off the frame and try it on, see if it came out as good as it looks like it came out. Let me know, man. Y'all gotta like the video too. Matter of fact, let's take a screenshot right now. That's a nice lighting right there. So I don't think I need that border that's on it that I said we might put. I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop it right now, or before I stop it, let me just pop it off the hoop, because I do believe I'm gonna be done. And there's two right there. All right, and this is how it's looking. This looks pretty nice, man. And I told you guys we were gonna verify the size. So where is that sticker? And we're gonna see if I got it right when I said we was gonna test out the size. I think it is spot on, exactly what I said it was going to be. Yep. So I think it came out nice, but the only way we'll really know is if we take it off the hoop and try it on. If you guys like what you see so far, please do hit the thumbs up button on this video, because I know you guys like my longer form videos, or at least I think you guys like my longer form videos. So if you do, if this ends up being a longer form video, the way that you let me know you really like it is by hitting the like button. Now we did go with some tearaway stabilizer, so let me be careful peeling this off, because it's not much of it is tacked down. There it is. So it's gonna be easy. Y'all see what I'm doing on the inside? I'm just pulling it out where the outline was at, and I'm not gonna get it all perfect right now. I'll pick it out later, but for now, to get this video knocked out, we'll flip this out, do it like this, and I think I have it all the way closed. There it is. Nice. So there's a little bit of room at the bottom. Well, you can't tell because this is way at the top, but yeah, a little bit of room at the bottom. It's in between both of these panels right here. I think it's pretty good, so let's try it on. There it is. I can't see it looking at the side, but can y'all see it? I think that looks pretty cool. So if y'all think this looks cool as well, let me know. Hit the thumbs up button. Hopefully you guys like what you see. You continue to shop with me. And check out the website, man. NeverDenyMe.com. It'd be cool if this would focus though when I said that, you know what I'm saying? NeverDenyMe.com, NDM. Follow me on Instagram as well. My username is NDM, the number 9, the letters ONE, NDM91. Catch you guys in the next one, man.